Ever wished you could easily move your money from your HSBC account to your Revolut, making managing your finances a breeze? First, grab your phone and open the HSBC mobile banking app. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the app's homepage, locate and tap the transfer option. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on your specific HSBC interface, but look for a button that lets you send money. Now, you'll need to add your Revolut account details. As a recipient, this usually involves providing your Revolut account holder name, your Revolut IBAN international bank account number, and the BIC bank identifier code. You can find these details easily within your Revolut app. Now, switch over to your Revolut app to find your account details. Navigate to your account section and look for something like account details, local account, or top up. You should find your IBAN and BIC listed there. Back on the HSBC app, input the Revolut account details you just obtained from the Revolut app, then enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Double-check all the information before proceeding. Before confirming the transfer, the HSBC app will likely prompt you to verify the transaction. This usually involves entering a security code sent to your phone or completing a biometric verification. This is to make sure it's you. Once you've authenticated the transaction on HSBC, the transfer should be successful. Check your Revolut app to make sure the money has arrived. It usually takes a few minutes. You've successfully transferred money. You're now one step closer to managing all your finances in Revolut.